Welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, my mighty little garden where we're going to trap some bugs.
Okay, I'm going to make some bug traps, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this shallow lid apart and make 3. Okay, I've cut them apart. It doesn't have to be fancy. We're not going to win anything. I bought myself the least expensive soy sauce in the store, which ran me about $4. And I've got my inexpensive point. Okay, there is no such thing as inexpensive anymore. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the bottoms of these up with the oil. And then I'm going to take the soy sauce. Okay. Yeah, what the heck. I'm just going to stab it because there we go. So what I'm going to do is spill it everywhere. I'm going to put it in here. Okay. Make a nice puddle. This is the key ingredient right there. Then I'm going to take these out and put them in the garden, in the shade of the garden, under some plants, particularly where I have seen the pests that I'm trying to get rid of. Now to show you what happens. This was just a very small batch right here. I was out of stuff, but if you look, you're going to see what we caught in here. This is a great little bug trap for earwigs.